Alright, let's try again. Let's try, and I am 2399. It's not going to be my day, is it? Just try and get a good position. Okay, what will it be? What about Bishop G4 F3 system? Or just an F4 one here as a surprise. Okay, if I take an E5. Oh, the queen's on, yeah. So A3 and C4 maybe. Is that E5 really weak? I suppose it's going to be. I can castle queenside. I'm going to have to lose the exchange. Oh, even more than the exchange. Ouch, that's not how to play the opening. Oh. It's not a good day today, and this doesn't look good. I think I might give a break now after this. Just resign here. Whoops.